If you're wondering how to access the water pump on one of these toilets, it's underneath the toilet roller holder. Pull that out, and you just pull this out. Your pump's down there, there's just one bolt holding it in. It's always worth replacing these rubber rings as well. I'll leave a link in the description for that. And there you go, that's how to access your water pump on one of these toilets. Needed some new bumpers for the van, so I've designed these and 3D printed these bumpers here. I've done them in 3 parts so they'll fit on the printer. That's what they look on the back. That's the back bumper. And the front bumper I've done in 1 piece. So, there's a link in the description if you want to download them. Right, if anyone's wondering how to prime one of these diesel heaters, that's the one with the blue text and not the red text. You have to hold the up and the down button in, and then you have to watch the fuel go through. If you can't watch it yourself, you have to get someone else to watch it. But hold that in until the fuel gets to the heater, then let go. I hope that helps someone, so thanks for watching.